Do you need to adjust the position of tab stops in a paragraph? One simple way to do it is to just drag them around on the ruler, as shown in this quick tip. Notice where the insertion point is within this document. I've placed it in this paragraph. Now, take a look at the ruler just above the document and below the ribbon area. This paragraph has tab stops set within it, and those tab stops appear on the ruler right under the measurement markings. If I want to, I can quickly adjust the tab stops in this paragraph by using the mouse to drag the markings to a new location on the ruler. I simply point to one of these, then click and drag it to a new location, and you can see the effect within the document immediately. When I get it to where I want it to be, I just release the mouse button, and that's where the tab stop remains set. Plus, if I wanted to, I can get rid of a tab stop entirely by just clicking on it and dragging it off of the ruler completely. When I release it, it's gone and no longer visible within the ruler. There's one very interesting variation on this technique. Watch what happens if I hold down the Alt key while I click on this tab stop right here. When I do that, notice that it shows the exact distance of that tab stop from the left margin and the right margin of my document. This allows me to see the exact location of a tab stop, and when the distances are exactly where I want them to be, then all I have to do is release the mouse pointer, and that's where that tab stop is set. As you can tell, it's easy to use the ruler to change the position of tab stops within a paragraph. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, please click the subscribe button and then click the bell icon. That way you'll be informed whenever I add a new video to the WordTips channel. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.